An enormous iceberg has calved from Antarctica's Brunt ice shelf. After several years of desperately clinging on, the berg broke away, as confirmed by satellite data. Scientists estimate the new berg to be around 1,550 square kilometers. That's the size of Greater London, or 5 times the size of Malta. The Brunt ice shelf borders the Coatsland coast in the Weddell Sea sector of Antarctica. Glaciologists have monitored the thick Brunt ice shelf for years. The new berg calved when the crack known as Chasm 1 split northwards, severing the west part of the ice shelf. It was only a matter of time before it would meet the Halloween crack. First spotted on, you guessed it, Halloween.
After several years on watch for Brunt iceberg calving, we finally witnessed the long-awaited separation of the western Brunt ice shelf as iceberg A81.
Routine monitoring from satellites offers unparalleled views of events happening in remote regions. The Copernicus Sentinel-1 mission carries radar, which returns images regardless of day or night. This allows us year-round viewing, which is especially important through the long, dark winter months. The British Antarctic Survey's Halley 6 research station, where glaciologists have been monitoring the behavior of the ice shelf, was relocated in 2017 to a more secure location after the ice shelf was deemed unsafe. The station has remained unaffected by the calving event. There are currently 21 staff working at the station to keep scientific operations running through winter. It is now around 20 kilometers from the line of rupture.
Thanks to the Copernicus Sentinel satellites, together with in situ and airborne measurements made by the British Antarctic Survey, the safety of the Halley base has been preserved.
In February 2021, a giant berg broke off from the northern section of Brunt. Spotted by Sentinel-1, it has already drifted away from the Brunt ice shelf into the Weddell Sea. So what happens now? The calving of icebergs can speed up the flow of ice from an ice shelf. If Brunt now experiences an acceleration, it could influence the behavior of other cracks in the area.
The calving and separation of the latest iceberg A81 now focuses attention back onto the Halloween crack, whose extension could contribute to further destabilisation of the remaining eastern portion of the Brunt ice shelf. We will continue using the Copernicus Sentinel satellites to closely monitor the behaviour and stability of the remaining Brunt ice shelf.